Why did cameras render classical landscape paintings less relevant? And what in the world does that have to do with food safety? Stay tuned and you'll soon find out. But remember, every day lives are lost to the consumption of unsafe food, and it's perfectly normal that you feel isolated and disheartened in your quest to ensure safe food. I'm here to provide the hands-on tools you need to enhance your competences and save time to focus on the never-ending challenge of your daily work. For decades, the value of art was seen in an artist's ability to accurately reproduce what was visible or to depict an idealistic vision of nature or humanity. The advent of cameras sparked a revolution. There ceased to be economic value in mere reproduction. Capturing a scene became easier, cheaper, and more accurate through photography. Consequently, artists began to emphasize emotion in their work. Value and recognition shifted from portraying things as they appeared to conveying them as perceived by the artist. They started to offer their unique vision, perspective, and approach. We began to value artists not just for their technical skill in reproducing a thing, but for their ability to evoke emotion and present a distinctive view of reality. Observing the impact of technology on food safety over the past decade, I see a parallel revolution. Technology has empowered food safety professionals with universal access to information and the ability to connect ubiquitously with anyone worldwide. More recently, AI has not only provided access to information, but also assisted in analyzing it and generating new insights for daily application. This brings me to my point. Since technology enables everyone to roughly do similar things, the only thing we have left is to do the things in our own and unique way. We must become artists in our field. It's no longer sufficient to replicate existing practice or even apply AI for a novel twist. The real value lies in how uniquely you approach your work, in our ability to invest emotional labor and present yourself as a genuine leading force, inspiring others to act correctly, especially when they are least inclined to do so. That's all I had to share with you today, but don't let learning stop here. Hit that subscribe button below, okay? To stay in the loop. There's plenty more where this came from. Keep doing the handsome job of keeping our food safe. Embrace your role as a saving lives officer and make a real difference. Can't wait to catch up again. See you soon. Bye bye.